What am I supposed to do without you? Is it too late to pick the pieces up? Too soon to let them go? Do you feel damaged just like I do? Your face, it makes my body ache. It won't leave me alone. And this feels like drowning, trouble, sleeping, restless, dreaming. You're in my head, always, always. I just got scared, away, away. I'd rather choke on my bad decisions than just carry them to my grave. You're in my head, always, always, always. Cracks won't fix and the scars won't fade away. I guess I should get used to this. The left side of my bed's an empty space. I remember we were strangers. So tell me, what's the difference between then and now? And why does this feel like drowning, trouble, sleeping, restless, dreaming? You're in my head, always, always. I just got scared, away, away. I'd rather choke on my bad decisions than just carry them to my grave. You're in my head, always, always,
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, oh, you say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I'm strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I am held when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours. taking all I have and now I'm laying it at your feet. You'll have every failure, God, you'll have every victory.